Blessed are the poor in spirit, for the kingdom will be theirs. Blessed are the ones who mourn now, God will wipe away their tears. Blessed are the meek and gentle, they will one day own the earth. Blessed those who hunger for justice, they will know their sacred word.
Light of the world, shine through me. Let my heart be pure and true. Salt of the earth, forever live in every word from you. Your kingdom coming near us, your mercy like the sea. Teach us how to love our enemies and set the captives free.
Blessed are the merciful ones, they will find their mercy too. Blessed are the pure in heart now, they will see the face of God. Blessed those who bring peace to others, children of the King they'll be. Blessed those who suffer for righteousness, heaven's doors for them are free.